Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to go about tasking in LUEL AI platform. Now, most people have this belief that when they get onboarded into LUEL AI, they need to be sent an onboarding mail to get started to a particular project. No, you don't need to wait for any mail. All you have to do is log into the portal and start working immediately. And that is what I want to explain in this video. So the first thing you do is you go to your email, look for the mail they sent to you where they onboarded you to the platform. Once you've gotten there, click on the link below. As you can see, sign in at luel.ai. If you don't want to go through the email, you can just go to your browser and type in the luel.ai sites directly, and it's going to log you in. Now, to do this, you have to put in your email address. You're not going to be inputting a password because they always send a magic link. The magic link is just a link for you to click on, and then it's going to take you to the platform. So you go back to your email and then you click on the link they sent to you, and it's going to sign you in. Now, as you can see, this is the creator dashboard. Now, this shows the total earnings you've made. It shows you the number of submissions you've made and the approval rate, which means whether your tasks are accepted or rejected, you will see the approval rate. So if you want to start working, click on upload now. When you click on upload now, you'll come across a lot of jobs that's under this select listing. When you click on select listing, you're going to come across a wide range of jobs that you can choose from. For instance, you can see the American English and the others. What you're focusing on right now is the egocentric POV project. So the egocentric POV project is a kind of project where you upload any video of you carrying out activities at home. Now, these include washing of plates, dishes, cooking, washing clothes, scrubbing the floors, and the likes. Now, to do this, you need a wide camera. That's an ultra wide camera. Now, iPhone and Samsung have this ultra wide lens, and you can work on this project if you have such. So if you want to get started, if you want to submit this task, you have to put in the device you used. You have to talk about the camera placement, which is why I also recommend you getting a head strap, and then you put in the title of the work. So if you washed plates, you are going to write plate washing. If you cooked, you write cooking. Then you select the file. So you're going to click on that select file and choose the file you want. So browse through the videos you've made and just select any one that you want to upload, and then you click on done. You can only upload one video at a time, and then you'd click on upload clip, and it's going to be uploaded. Now, each video should be at least 5 minutes long. The least should be 5 minutes. So you can upload videos between 5 minutes to 1 hour, and also ensure that the videos are not more than 30 gigabytes of file, that's in size. You don't need to upload anything more than 30 gigabytes. If it's more than 30 gigabytes, then it just won't work. Finally, also ensure that your videos are saved in MP4 or MOV formats, else they'll be rejected. As a bonus, if you are someone who uses an Android phone and you are looking for an application that you can use to edit your videos, that is to clip the beginning and the end of your video and also save in 30 frames per second and also save as MP4, I'm going to be uploading a link. The link directs you to a drive where you download the InShot app. Now, when you download the InShot app, you have to understand that it is premium and you don't have to pay for anything. Just download and start using. There will be no form of watermarks when you save your videos. So this is how you're going to do it. I use the split feature in InShot to split the video. So when I start editing my videos, I just go to split immediately, and then I trim out the first part of the video. Then I go to the end of the video and trim out the last part. So my hands are going to show at the beginning and my hands are going to show at the end. So that is how you edit the videos. When you are done, click on save and you'll be shown all of these options. So you can see the resolution, you can see the frame rate, you can see the format. So this is how you can save your file, and then you upload to the platform, and it will definitely be accepted. Just ensure that you make your video in an environment that is well lit. If it is well lit, then you have no issues. Then you save and upload. So that will be all. Please remember to give this video a like, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.